Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to add a PNG to Google Drive. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Drive. Then use folder image upload or direct image upload. Create a new folder, file upload, direct file upload, and folder upload as you wish. Example: step 1: create a new folder, name PNG. Then open PNG. Again, go to new file upload and open your PNG file. I already opened to this PNG and select your PNG image, then upload. And now we can see this upload PNG. And step 2: open your folder PNG image and select your PNG image. Simply click and drag on your mouse. And now see this uploaded PNG. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.